Propaganda siya, pwedeng sabihin nila na sobrang political, but it's political. What happened to them was about red tagging, was injustices. So the relevance of it now, alam natin yan lahat, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, maging sa ibang mundo, ay sa ibang parte pa ng mundo, na sa pagiging artist kasi hindi pwedeng wala kang integridad, hindi pwedeng hindi ka magsasalita sa mga pinaka-apektado mga tao, na hindi pwedeng may gagawin ka lang aksyon o may gagawin ka lang salita pag ikaw na yung nakakaramdam ng mga ganitong klase mga problema, injustice. So ayun, kaya para sa akin, pag artist ka, ayun.
What does it mean for you as an actor, particularly as an artist?
As an actor, okay, as an actor and as an artist, trabaho namin mga artist na magsabi ng totoo, labanan yung mga oppressors at ipaglaban yung mga oppressed na tao. So, with this, alam ko na magiging pwedeng sabihin ng mga tao na propaganda siya, pwedeng sabihin nila na sobrang political, but it's political. What happened to them was about red tagging, was injustices. So the relevance of it now, alam natin yan lahat, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, maging sa ibang mundo, ay sa ibang parte pa ng mundo, na sa pagiging artist kasi hindi pwedeng wala kang integridad, hindi pwedeng hindi ka magsasalita sa mga pinaka-apektado mga tao, na hindi pwedeng may gagawin ka lang aksyon o may gagawin ka lang salita pag ikaw na yung nakakaramdam ng mga ganitong klase mga problema, injustice. So ayun, kaya para sa akin, pag artist ka at mas pinili mong tumahimik, mas pinapanigan mo yung mga nangaakit. Yun para sa akin. So, sana ma-realize ng lahat ng mga artists.
From Film Local Review.
Hello, Film Local.
Isang question lang. During this film, ano yung biggest learning mo? Tapos, as idol sa film and yung sa role mo din as Badit.
Biggest learnings sa film. I think biggest learnings sa film ay yung hindi lang nangyari yung history natin para lang pag-aralan natin siya during elementary and high school. I think ito yung kailangan ayusin sa educational system natin, kung paano papahalagahan ng Department of Education yung pagbibigay ng pagpapahalaga at pagbibigay pa ng mas malalim pa na pag-unawa ng mga estudyante natin. Kasi parang ang nangyayari, di ba, whenever we read or study about history, parang nandun lang sa mga exams natin, kailan sila nabuhay, kailan sila namatay. Tapos, ano yung significance nila? Yun lang. Hindi siya masyadong, parang hindi masyadong pinag-aalab yung patriotism natin. Na parang, okay, you just have to pass the exam and that's it. For me kasi, yung history natin, kailangan natin siya isabuhay araw-araw. Kasi, for example, yung ibang mga countries, grabe yung pagpapahalaga nila sa history natin. And also, si Prof. Xiao nandito siya. May nakita kong post niya na nakita ko na yung mausoleum ng pamilya ng Rizal, na kung gaano siya kaganda dati, ngayon sobrang napabayaan na siya hanggang sa nilipat na sila sa Laguna, na parang imagine yung sobrang importanteng, isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng pamilya sa atin sa Pilipinas. Ganun lang, hindi nabibigyan ng pagpapahalaga. So it says a lot about how we give importance sa history natin. Ako naman, ano yung sitwasyon mo as an actor? Or as an actor and as a human, yun din siya na hindi tayo pwedeng maging makasarili na mamamayan. Lahat tayo are just trying to survive our daily lives, our struggles as Filipinos. So, we always need to choose kindness, and at the same time, kailangan natin tulungan yung mga kabataan na kung paano nila mamahalin yung bansa at sa bansa. Kailangan siya, conscious effort siya, collective effort siya para sa ating mga Pilipino.
Cedric, invite ko lang natin sila to watch Gumburza.
Hello, inimbitahan ko po kayo na sana huwag mawawala sa listahan ninyo ng Gumburza dahil napakahalaga po ng unang 3-4 na araw ng Metro Manila Film Festival. Dahil dito po masasabi ko madadagdagan kami ng mga cinemas or mababawasan pa. At dahil po sa 10 pelikula na to, ito ay lahat ng magkakaibang emotions. Pero napakahalaga na simulan muna natin kung saan nagsimula bang salitang Filipino. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa pagkamatay ng Gumburza, hindi natin natawag ang sarili natin at nagsimula identity natin bilang mga Pilipino.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So ito, magpapaalam lang po kami. Sige, thank you.
Wow!
Without knowing na...
Thank you, bro.
Dito, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Isang pang-update lang sa friends.
Everyone.
Sana present dito sa loob ng theater. Pwede na po kayo pumunta sa harapan para magkaroon tayo ng one last photo op for tonight.
Kasama kami.
Father, why not?
Alright, our cast and crews present here now. We can just compress a little bit. Just so we can have our one last photo op.
Pwede picture nyo kami.
One, two, three. Tapa, 1, 2, 3. Tapa, 1, 2, 3. Tapa, 1, 2, 3.
Wala. Yes, I love it. Thank you.
Forever, you know. And it can be an educational tool as well. So I hope, you know, the younger generations would use this as a material and get to know more about Gumburza.
From start to finish, this is a film that parang siyang living textbook. Ang dami niyang kinakwento, ang dami new information. So as a Filipino, what is your key takeaway from this entire project?
Philippines is not unlucky. You know, there's always a purpose, there's always a reason for things to happen, and I always believe that if we come together as a nation, we can move forward together. You know, and we've seen this in the film. Kapag watak-watak kayo, wala kayong ma-achieve, di ba? It's bound to fail. So, but together you're nice. So, it's such an inspiring movie.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you. Good evening, everyone. Merry Christmas. I hope you're having a good holidays. Masaya ba kayo ngayong Pasko? Yayaman ba tayo sa bagong taon? Ay, parang ayaw nila masyado yumaman. Yayaman ba tayo sa bagong taon? Yun! Okay, good. Okay, thank you so much sa pag-ano ng crowd, Enchong. Okay, anyway, Enchong, you played the role of Jacinto Zamora. Yep, we want to know how was playing Jacinto Zamora for you? What were some of the challenges you faced when you played that role?
I've been saying this, it's a dream come true for me. I've always wanted to do either historical or biopic, and now I have an opportunity to do that dream tonight. And I'm so happy because, you know, there's so many good films in the Metro Manila Film Festival, but we're giving a gift. We're giving this beautiful film to the Filipino people, and at the same time, I want this film to be beyond the Metro Manila Film Festival.
Right, beyond the Metro Manila Film Festival. Before I let you go, your message to all the fans waiting for you here and even the viewers on our live stream. Go ahead, Encho, you can invite them all.
Yes, sa lahat ng mga kasama natin, please do support the Filipino films, local films. It will start December 25 po. Ngayong Kapaskuhan, magsisimula na po ang 49th Metro Manila Film Festival. Sana po, unahin ninyong puntahan Gumburza, isang pelikula na magpapaalam ng inyong puso, magpapaalam ng inyong puso para sa bansa. Sana po gawin natin to for our country, and enjoy the holidays. I will see you on December 25 for Gumburza. Thank you.
Alright, once again, Enchong D, round of applause everybody.